How do we know that global warming is happening? Greenhouse gases are the gases in the Earth's lower atmosphere that cause the greenhouse effect. Examples include carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and methane. The greenhouse effect is a process by which thermal radiation from a planetary surface is absorbed by atmospheric greenhouse gases and is re-radiated in all directions. There are several greenhouse gases responsible for warming, and humans emit them in a variety of ways. Most come from the combustion of fuels in cars. The gas responsible for the warming is carbon dioxide, also called CO2.
Aerosol, which are man-made, gradually rise up into the ozone layer, where ultraviolet light breaks compounds apart. Aerosol propellants and blowing agents gradually being phased out.
Freon is a colorless, odorless, and non-flammable gas or liquid. It is a trade name that is composed of a class of man-made chemicals known as chlorofluorocarbon, containing carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, and fluorine.
Also, gases used for refrigeration such as chlorofluorocarbons, which have been banned in much of the world because they also degrade the ozone layer.
Plants give us oxygen, which is the most important thing for our survival. They undergo a process of photosynthesis in which they give out oxygen and take carbon dioxide. Plants consume the air, sunlight, and the carbon dioxide we breathe out to make food and oxygen. So if the tree is cut, plants will not produce oxygen and the concentration of carbon dioxide will increase.
The effects of rising temperatures are already being felt across the Philippines and around the world, with serious implications for our health, our environment, and our economy. As the habitats of the disease-carrying insect become hotter, and the northern countries become warm and perfect for their needs, these insects will move north and bring all the diseases they can take with them. It will be impossible to stop this. The phenomenon of global warming is bound to increase the degree of severity in terms of storms. Warmer temperatures and warmer ocean waters would fuel the intensity of these storms, thus leading to a high number of devastating hurricanes. Rising of sea level is one of the major effects of global warming. It is because of the melting of the glaciers, so the expansion of the water would be increased. Volcanic eruptions are also one of the major reasons of global warming. These eruptions contain dust particles and gases like sulfur dioxide, which stay in the atmosphere for years and block the sunlight from reaching the surface of the earth, making it cool. The science is clear. Global warming is happening and we are the primary cause. But we have the solutions at hand to address this global challenge. We must take immediate action to reduce the heat-trapping emissions that cause global warming. You can help, and a solid understanding of the science and consequences of global warming is a good way to start.